Welcome to this presentation on experimental analysis of coupled nanoring resonator for photonic integrated circuits. This research was conducted by P. Abdulandeshwari et al. And published in 4th May 2026. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Current photonic integrated circuits often rely on single function devices or dual function designs that remain purely theoretical or use non silicon platforms. This necessitates complex integration or limits widespread adoption. Our theoretical contribution is demonstrating the first fabricated silicon platform nanoscale photonic device that simultaneously performs both optical switching and narrowband filtering. This relaxes the assumption that dual functionality on a silicon platform is only achievable numerically or with complex material systems, opening pathways for more integrated and power-efficient on-chip solutions. Our approach utilizes asymmetrical coupled photonic crystal ring resonators or PCR loops, fabricated on a silicon on-insulator wafer. This design, comprising a larger PCRR S1 with 3 hexagonal rings and a smaller PCRR S2 with 2, allows for increased control over resonance characteristics compared to single ring designs. Fabrication was performed using 100 kV electron beam lithography and reactive ion etching, a single-step etch technique on a 0.22 micrometer thick silicon layer, ensuring nanoscale precision. The experimental setup involved a tunable laser sweeping the C-band, coupled via V-groove fiber arrays, and sub-wavelength grating couplers to an optical spectrum analyzer.
The fabricated device demonstrates a high extinction ratio of 36.55 dB for the 1/2 optical switch function, switching between output ports 1 and 3 at 1531.8 nanometer and 1548.8 nanometer respectively. For the narrowband filter function, operating at 1548.8 nanometer, we achieved a Q factor of 3097.60 and a bandwidth of 0.5 nanometer. This Q factor represents a significant improvement over the 703.39 Q factor reported by Aguilandeswari et al.
202512, the strongest prior dual function silicon-based baseline, and also surpasses the 1946.87 Q factor of the S-shaped PCRR filter by Rajshekhar 20248, which was a single function device. The comparative analysis in Table I clearly shows this performance lift is driven by the coupled asymmetrical PCRR design.
While the Q factor of 3097.60 is high for a PCRR platform, it is inherently lower than conventional microring resonators, as noted in the paper, due to intrinsic scattering effects and energy losses within the PCRRs themselves. Specifically, the dual functionality requiring multiple PC waveguides, as discussed in Section 3C, introduces additional energy losses that limit the achievable Q factor.
This trade-off is accepted to achieve the primary goal of dual functionality and an ultra-compact footprint, which are critical for high-density integration and minimizing system-level power consumption. The device's performance is well suited for ITU TG600 and 94.1D WDM systems, providing adequate channel isolation. Q factor of 3097.60 with a 0.5 nanometer bandwidth, surpassing previous dual-function silicon designs.
The theoretical contribution lies in demonstrating the fabricability and performance of such a dual-function device on a silicon platform, relaxing prior assumptions about integration complexity. While the Q factor is a known trade-off for this architecture, the ultra-compact footprint and high on-off ratio make it highly suitable for real-time high-speed optical communication and low-power integrated circuits.